Plant family. 229 genera in Euphorbiaceae, Spurge family. A fascination with the Euphorbiaceae from a budding gardener's perspective. The world of plants has always held a special allure for me. Euphorbiaceae, a budding gardener with an insatiable curiosity about the green wonders that surround us. Among the countless plant families that pique my interest, the Euphorbiaceae stands out as a captivating and diverse group. Let me share my journey of discovering this remarkable family, from its unique characteristics to its vast array of genera. Unveiling the enigmatic Euphorbiaceae. The Euphorbiaceae, also known as the Spurge family, is a sprawling and cosmopolitan family boasting an impressive diversity of forms and adaptations. From towering trees to humble herbs, succulents to aquatic plants, this family encompasses a remarkable spectrum of life forms. One of the defining features of Euphorbiaceae is the presence of milky latex, a sticky, often toxic sap that serves various functions, from deterring herbivores to aiding in wound healing. A tapestry of genera. The sheer number of genera within the Euphorbiaceae is awe-inspiring, estimated to be around 229 with thousands of species. Each genus offers its own unique set of characteristics, contributing to the rich tapestry of this plant family. Euphorbia, arguably the most iconic genus of the family, Euphorbia is a powerhouse of diversity, showcasing a wide range of growth habits and adaptations. From the towering candelabra trees of Africa to the humble ground-hugging spurges, this genus exemplifies the remarkable plasticity of the Euphorbiaceae. 93 species in genus Euphorbia. Jatropha. This genus has garnered attention for its potential as a source of biofuel due to the oil-rich seeds of certain species. Beyond its economic significance, Jatropha boasts a captivating array of ornamental plants, with vibrant flowers and intriguing foliage. 177 species in genus Jatropha. Ricinus. Renowned for its castor oil, derived from the seeds of Ricinus communis, this genus holds both economic and medicinal value. However, it's important to handle castor beans with caution, as they contain a highly toxic compound called ricin. Ricinus communis in genus Ricinus. Manihot. The cassava plant, Manihot esculenta, a staple food crop in many tropical regions, belongs to this genus. Its starchy roots provide a valuable source of carbohydrates, while its leaves are also consumed as a nutritious green vegetable. 161 species in genus Manihot. Hevea. The rubber tree, Hevea brasiliensis, a cornerstone of the rubber industry, finds its place in this remarkable family. Its milky latex, harvested through careful tapping, has revolutionized countless industries and continues to play a vital role in our modern world. 10 species in genus Hevea. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A world of wonder awaits. My exploration of the Euphorbiaceae is an ongoing journey, fueled by a deep fascination with the intricacies of the plant kingdom. This remarkable family, with its vast array of genera and adaptations, serves as a constant reminder of the boundless creativity of nature. Whether you're a seasoned botanist or a budding enthusiast like myself, the Euphorbiaceae offers a world of wonder waiting to be discovered. So let's venture forth, armed with curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, and unravel the secrets of this captivating plant family. From the towering forests to the arid deserts, the Euphorbiaceae thrives, leaving its mark on every corner of our planet. May our journey be filled with awe and appreciation for the remarkable diversity that surrounds us.